AD Naik Wealth, a new vision of prosperity. In this era, everyone has money, but managing it wisely is the real art. And Naik Wealth becomes your partner in learning this art.
Our purpose is to help investors build and protect long-term sustainable and abundant wealth.
The journey has been fantastic. It has been extremely enriching and fulfilling.
Naik Wealth is always going to be growth, growth, growth.
Nikhil and his company growing from very small to growing and growing faster, bigger, getting bigger and bigger now.
Full credit to Nikhil Naik for creating such a wonderful team.
100 करोड़ का गोल जो उन्होंने रखा है तो रियलिस्टिक हो सकता है.
Thinking from the client's perspective, understanding the client's needs, wants, goals, and then implementing them in the most passive, unassuming manner possible.
We never imagined we could save so much, and now I regret why I didn't start earlier. It's a tremendous journey, and all thanks to Naik Wealth team.
I've seen him in last 20-25 years. He's really grown from not small office to today. He's made two big offices in Lotus.
तो वो जो इन्होंने मिथ ब्रेक किया प्रॉपर्टी वर्सेस इन्वेस्टमेंट और कंसिस्टेंट इनकम, तो वहाँ पर माइंडसेट चेंज करने में बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा.
I think Naik Wealth has really managed our portfolio pretty well, and I think the journey has been very rewarding.
आपके लिए यहाँ प्लानिंग होती है, smartly, personally, faithfully. Start growing with Naik Wealth.
So this business was started by my father, and he was a people's man. He had a passion about serving people and helping them to invest into different things, and that's how the business started. So when I saw him working, I realized that people had a lot of trust on him.
Wealth isn't just about money, it's about security, legacy, aspirations, because your money deserves a doctor too.
So I've been very lucky that I've met some of the finest investors across different age group, different religions. They speak different languages. But one thing that remained common that I observed across all these thousands of people was the ones who have really, really made big in their investments had something different. And I think that is their attitude towards money.
हम सभी का सपना होता है एक सिक्योर फ्यूचर जो स्ट्रेस नहीं फ्रीडम दे, where our money doesn't just sit, it works for us.
I being a part of the finance team here, we are always into numbers. So we basically convert numbers into insights to give reportings to the management so that we can have decisions which can help the organization in going towards the growth path.
He joins the organization with a lot of aspiration. He loves finance, and that is the reason why he wants to be a part of the organization. But at the same time, what is required is a little bit of grooming, a little bit of hand-holding, and ensuring that he walks the journey.
Naik Wealth में सिर्फ पोर्टफोलियोज नहीं बनाते, पीस ऑफ माइंड भी क्रिएट करते हैं. Because real wealth is knowing you're on the right path.
As we continue to expand, one of my key responsibilities is to make sure that every new member upholds the same culture, focused on simplicity and ensuring the client is always first.
13 years that I'm associated with Nikhil Naik ji and AD Naik Group, and very closely working with Ultra HNI clients and creating strategies for their goal achievements and wealth management.
At Naik Wealth, we don't just see you as clients. We see you as partners, dreamers, and legacy makers.
In my last 30 years of career, I have seen that people's goals, they look very far, but in reality, they just happen very fast.
They didn't just invest in markets, they invested in us. Plant today, prosper tomorrow.
मुझ में है वो बात, हाँ मैं हूँ सबसे खास. मुझ में है वो बात, हाँ मैं हूँ सबसे खास. हाँ मैं हूँ कामयाब, हाँ मैं हूँ आजाद. हाँ मैं हूँ कामयाब, हाँ मैं हूँ आजाद.
AD Naik Wealth, a new vision of prosperity. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully before investing.